What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, guys. So we got the car, filled it up with gas, and welcome back to another vlog, because tonight we're going to the streets of Los Angeles. We got the Lambo, we got everything ready. We filled it up, like I said. I don't know where we're gonna wash it, but it needs a bad wash, guys. Here, there, everywhere. But let's go. We're also going to pick up a truck. Stay tuned to see what truck we're picking up, guys, because it's gonna be top of the line, top of the line. All right, let's get it.
I hit the ground and it go off, yeah. Hit the ground and it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah. I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground and it go off, yeah. Hit the ground and it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed in heaven. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up.
Alrighty, guys. So we're here at Best Buy because Oscar and Ketchup told me we need a brand new lens. Why? I don't know, but supposedly the picture quality is gonna be more better for you guys. So we're here. It's about $1,500, right?
No way.
How much?
Like 22.
Well, it's about $2,200
lens to this one.
Yeah. Come on, let's get it.
Right now we're gonna.
God damn, 2,200?
Yeah.
That shit told me that before I drove over here.
This is that.
I better record by fucking self.
Es de vidrio, güey.
No mames, para que luego este puñetón lo quebre.
Hey,
Ey,
no
ya.
la pongan donde no se puede.
Donde no se debe estar.
Ground and it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it.
Winning, I'ma keep winning.
You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. But you only gon' play yourself.
Guys, we have made it to my boy Ishmael's pad. I started on Malona with the 4G. Ishmael, unfortunately, is not here, guys. So, ¿qué dice más?
¿Qué dice?
¿Cómo anda?
Por aquí,
Deme, boy. El Ishmael no está.
las trocas.
¿Sí? ¿Qué le dije, Ismael? Saca la troca de aquel. Damn, this thing looks better and better every time I see it. ¿Qué dice, man? ¿Cómo anda?
Está bien, bien, bien.
¿Cómo anda?
Hey, no hay otra.
You just watch it or what? So pretty. Hell yeah. Hey, it's motherfucker looking clean.
Dale, ¿cómo está?
Do you mind washing my car real quick? Nomás de auto de volada, güey. You want me to move it or ahí está bien, güey?
Ahí está bien.
Okay. Guys, so we're here with Ishmael's dad. Aquí andamos. Ishmael, unfortunately, anda en ¿dónde? En San Francisco, ¿verdad?
Yeah, he's in Fresco
He's
right
in
now.
San Francisco, so his dad is gonna give us delivery of the car, of the truck. And man, big shout out to Ishmael. Big shout out to Street Concept. And big shout out to the homies from, let me see, JP Performance that they got down with this truck, guys. This truck is looking really good. Last time I saw it, it was a little dirty. But this time that I saw it, that my homeboy over here just washed it, man, it's looking really nice. So big shout out to Ishmael. This is the Cali build, guys. And we're finally going to take it back to Texas. That's what I asked. I kind of want to drive this instead of the Lambo.
Hey, drive it. I'll drive the
But
Lambo.
no, you can't.
Yo me llevo el Lambo, güey.
These guys can't drive. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you gotta be careful out here.
Yeah, these guys can drive. No, ahorita, bueno. Vámonos. Damn it, boy. Check it out. Emblem on Malone. Paint on Malona.
It's finally going to Texas.
Hell yeah. I might have to do something with these decals so we can get them all like silver pa que mache la troca, you know?
Oh yeah.
But other than that, guys, the guys that did the paint job did an amazing job. Ishmael, of course, he's been taking care of this truck. He did the same setup that he has on his personal truck, but we did it on my truck. He completely outdid himself. We have the Street Concept hood, which looks really nice. And Street Concept also hooked us up with the claddings and the wing. And other than that, guys, man, this truck is beautiful. We are going to have to replace the wheels. I don't know if I should put some big wheels like Isma's got on his truck. That way, whenever we pull up to shows, we're going to put up together. Or should I put some Cosmes, because I love Cosmes, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know yet. I don't know. What you think, Oscar? You think we should put some big wheels like Ishmael or what?
Yo creo que sí, güey. Algo
¿Que
más.
maché?
Something different.
What you
than
think?
Sí, güey, ya Cosmis, ya todas las trocas Cosmis, ya.
Yeah, I love Cosmes. Even though they don't sponsor me, not a penny on the Cosmes, I just love how they look. But yeah, these guys are right. We're going to put some badass wheels. I don't know if we're going to go with Intro, Forgiato, US Max. I don't know. We're going to decide. But I'm definitely happy about this truck, guys. Mira, igualita que la de Isma, but en GMC.
True, right?
This truck is very, very unique, guys, and I don't think I'm ever gonna give this thing away. I think this is a keeper, a collection for the Project Tour collection, and man, it looks beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Like I said, big shout out to Ishmael. Make sure to go check him out on his YouTube channel. Oscar put his thing here.
Oh, yeah,
And
Ishmael J.
oh, I thought
Oh,
Ishmael
yeah.
was pulling up. I was like, where? There it is, guys. You still gonna put it on there even though it's there.
I'll put the little YouTube thing.
And big shout out to his dad. Big shout out to his dad that he actually had to move a bunch of trucks to get this truck out. Cause tomorrow, guys, we're gonna do one more upgrade on the next video on the Lambo, and then after that we headed to New Mexico Truck Fest. So déjame, boy. Ahorita le voy a dar una lavada al compa al Lambo Toys, and we'll be good. We'll be good to roll. I think we should go to like a nice area so we could like
Rodeo Drive again?
probably Rodale Drive.
Nah, yeah.
¿Qué,
It's nice.
güey?
It's nice, but it's not like in
I like
real.
it there.
In real life, it's not all that.
It's
It's
is.
nice,
You haven't
but
even
it's
been there
not.
during the day, Ketchup.
It's not during the day.
No, like
You get there at night.
at night. Yeah. So you can't say it's not nice. It's nice.
It's all right.
I like it.
It's overrated.
It's like two streets and it sucks.
Yeah, it's overrated.
It's just for a fucking pass.
Rodale Drive is my type of vibe. You know what I'm saying? If I was to buy a house, I'll buy it right there, and then
And
I could
Rodale
just
Drive
walk
next
to
to
Rodale
Gucci.
Drive. Yeah. Product Tour store coming up next, right there in Rodale Drive. Damn, está bien perra, güey.
Yeah, it's bad.
¿Y cómo te prende y todo, güey, la troquilla? Oh, mira, aquí están las llaves. Look at this, guys. Clean interior, super clean. Damn, el compa la hasta de adentro, güey. Mira nomás.
Me voy bien con madre.
Damn, it's got that Ishmael exhaust, loud as fuck. Hell yeah, windows, electric windows, and everything. Of course, the sunroof. Mira, Ketchup.
Ah, me voy a ir con madre, güey.
No mames, güey.
Me voy a ir con madre.
Ketchup gonna be clowning on these fools. I can't wait to pull up to a show with Ishmael, him on his truck and me on this truck. By the way, this truck's gonna be at the New Mexico Truck Fest this weekend as well, guys. So you guys can go over there and check it out. Unfortunately, you don't have a mirror, Ketchup. It's okay.
And
A la verga, y luego.
We need to buy wipers, so we got a little upgrades to do.
Ahorita llegamos ahí al
It sounds real good. I think it has a 4.8, right? I think so. It has a 4.8, yeah. Damn. Super excited. Like I said, I wish I could drive this one right now instead of the Lambo, but we're gonna drive the Lambo. Because Ketchup and Oscar can't drive. You know when he did the wing, just like on his silver. Man, Ishmael, if you're watching this, top of the line, my boy, top of the line. Now, I did bring a plate from my GMC that we're gonna slap on this one so Ketchup won't get pulled over. So, you should probably get that. Oye, escucha hasta que trae cam, güey. I think it does, doesn't it? Did it? Yeah, I think it does.
Está cambiada, güey.
Pero aquí qué pedo, güey.
Well, you're gonna have to drill the hole.
It's a show truck, güey. It's a show truck.
You just drive like that?
Que se me vaya alguien atrás de mí nada más. Just somebody stay behind me.
Yeah, it looks clean, güey.
Güey, allá en Houston, I go downtown, I go everywhere. The
No
truck got
plates.
no plates, no pasa nada.
But this is California. This is California. But, I mean, Ketchup will get the ticket.
Yeah, you'll get the ticket.
Project Tour will pay for it. I ain't gotta worry about it.
Pasa nada.
Man, está con madre la troquita, güey. Bed liner, as soon as we get back, Pop Exclusive is gonna get on that. And
What color? Black?
I think so. Yeah, I don't want it too crazy. What color is this? Just like Ishmael's. I think this is black. So same like Ishmael's. And then we're gonna paint the inside of the emblem. We're gonna paint that silver. We might even put the chrome piece back on there because we got the chrome look going on. The chrome with the silver in the middle. The same silver. But
yeah.
hasta el hood se mira con madre, güey, al chile. Hell yeah. Yeah, I think it's called the V something hood. Now Ishmael was gonna put wheels on it, but we're gonna take it back because he's having some trouble finding some wheels for this truck. But we're gonna find them, and I think we're gonna take it to the setup, put some wheels, maybe some 24x15s, big fat lip. But then we have to do the narrow rear end and I think we gotta narrow the frame. I don't know. Ishmael's wheels look good though. I don't think you have to narrow the rear end with.
Yeah. No tanto.
For this here. Hell yeah. Big shout out to my boy Ishmael again, guys. Can't believe how happy I am about this truck. Ahorita with the sunset y todo se mira right where it needs to be.
Sé con madre.
Ahora sí que echó un cinematic y también un cinematic de Lambo que el compa lo anda lavando.
Let's go. Chick so bad, she never met Santa. She bad. Yeah, I don't even care, I never had manners. No way. Yeah, been a couple years, yeah, I must have standard. I do. Hey, sit while you rap, cause we just can't stand ya. Each of my head, it gave me danger. I grew in and the girls go crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, holding me tight till I have my baby. Say what? Yeah, I'ma be a player till my age turn 80. I'm a big flow tsunami, I'm wavy. At the mom with a chick named Stacy. I just hear a beat go beast, that's rabies. What's up? What's up? Really, that's me, that's up. That's up. I've been working on getting that buzz and finally refill my cup. Okay. I don't even have shit to prove. I did all the things I said I do. It's way too fun with the haters lose. And now I wanna make it just because I choose. Fuck with me. Now I want it all, that's luxury. Step up in the party, they bumping me. Step up in the party, she run to me. 300 in a month, that's fun to me. And all couple mans wanna punch me. All they ever throw is he subs to me. You ever see me out, he run for me. Chick so bad, she never met Santa. She bad.
Mira, güey, con sonido.
I never had
Con madre, güey. Con madre. aquí
No
en la
mames,
troca.
escucha con madre, güey.
El bass pa.
Pues trae el cajón como lo traían a GMC with the 2.8s.
Hey, this is how I like the bass on trucks. Like this. Like you can be listening like slow, volumen bajito, and the bass is like, yeah.
Like you can hear the voice and
yeah,
the bass.
and the bass.
Yeah, Ketchup knows. He's an
Yeah, I
audio
like
guy.
that. I like that.
Que eso sale de algo.
Aquí está Ismael 2.0, his clone.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Saca la mano, güey.
Swing it ahorita.
Don't tell me 2 times.
Hola, güey. No, ahí ven a swing, güey.
va a pegar allá.
güey.
Ahorita le doy, güey.
Era pegar allá la Duli.
A ver, déjala prendo porque si no le va a... Battery's gonna die.
They gonna pull ketchup. Oh, no, si le jala, we just gotta move it.
What do you mean? ¿El turn on?
No, like, esa luz tiene que estar arriba.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
We need to stop at an AutoZone.
No, just a gas station, ahí tienen que tener screwdrivers.
Okay. Damn, se mira bien perra, güey. Mira.
Ahí estamos.
Denme, boy. Sí, gracias.
Ándale.
All right, guys. Time to roll. How does it feel, ketchup?
A la madre.
How do you feel, Ketchup?
Hey, I feel badass. I think I need to buy a truck.
Te queda, güey.
I'm gonna trade in the GTR for the truck, güey.
¿Sí? Ya dijiste en cámara, güey. So, para todos los que cuando no se compre la troca, ahí pongan en el comentario.
Where's the truck at? Ask me every time.
If you see Ketchup at the show, be like, hey, where's the truck at?
Where's your truck at? Lying ass, motherfucker. This is where the magic happens with the camera. Okay. If I was skinny, I wouldn't be able to do all this stuff.
Ketchup is in
Nice.
there.
¿Qué dice?
Dice, no, me está con madre sonidito, todo. I just spoke to Ishmael. He said that, like you said, enjoy it for a little bit. But if I'm gonna do
Yeah.
that, he said to put some Cosmos on it just to see how it's gonna look.
Cosmos?
Yeah, silver ones. Silver Cosmos would look real good in this truck, boy. I know what I'm telling you.
They look good on all the trucks. and
Yeah,
everything.
I'm gonna put some. I don't give a fuck what he has. I'll get some billets for it too, but I'm gonna put some Cosmos because I love Cosmos. Let me move my car. Let me move my junk so you can shoot some real